Nothing says dream job like creating YouTube videos for a living and making millions of dollars in the process. In this video, I'm giving you a roundup of the top 10 highest paid YouTubers in 2020 based on their estimated revenue from YouTube. And I'm pretty sure number 1 is not who you're expecting. But in at number 10 is KSI. KSI is one of the biggest names on YouTube to come from the UK and has successfully ventured outside of the platform into boxing and music. The London-based YouTuber started his channel by playing popular games, but became especially known for FIFA. His diss tracks have received millions of views on the site, and so have his boxing matches with other YouTube stars. In fact, KSI vs Logan Paul, that fight ended up in an $11 million win for KSI. However, when it comes to YouTube, KSI reportedly earns around $2 million a year through his 2 YouTube channels, whilst his net worth is reportedly around $20 million. Now, in at number 9 is Logan Paul. If there's one YouTuber who we've seen all over the news for all the wrong reasons, it's Logan Paul. The 25-year-old YouTube star has been creating videos since he was about 10 years old. He made a successful crossover from Vine to YouTube and quickly rose to fame and notoriety on the platform. He especially came under fire in 2019 for the Japanese suicide incident, which almost got Logan banned from the platform completely, but the controversies haven't put a dent on his success, as Logan's channel currently has 19 million subscribers. Logan reportedly earns around $3 million a year through his YouTube channel alone, and his net worth is currently estimated at about $19 million. Number 8, Jake Paul. The 23-year-old YouTuber and younger brother of Logan has been a content creator since 2013 on YouTube after originally starting out on Vine. Since then, he's collected over 4 billion views and counting. Jake was briefly an actor on the Disney Channel before being kicked out of the show for being too explicit, but things aren't looking too shabby for Jake because his channel currently has around 20 million subscribers, and his music videos for songs like It's Everyday Bro have gone viral on the platform, even if not for all the right reasons.
What the was that?
Jake Paul reportedly earns around $3.5 million a year through his channel, and his net worth stands at around $90 million, very close to his brother's. Number 7, JAKESEPTICEYE. Another popular gamer who hit the jackpot in YouTube, JAKESEPTICEYE, or Sean, had been uploading videos on the platform since 2012, but his career got a massive boost when PEWDIEPIE referenced him in a video. This little mention gave his channel an initial boost, and today his subscriber count rests at 23 million. And he's worked with celebrities like Ryan Reynolds, Logic, and Marshmello. As his fortune's grown, he's also been known for giving a lot away. He's raised millions of dollars in donations for causes such as AIDS and the 2020 Australian bushfires. He reportedly earns around $6 million a year through his YouTube channel, and his net worth currently stands at around $16 million, which just shows that earning more from YouTube doesn't always equate to a higher net worth. It's how you leverage your YouTube influence that determines that. But anyway, on to number 6, DANTDM. The UK YouTuber has made a fortune off of playing Minecraft, and his videos are wildly popular, raking in more than 15 billion views in total so far. Daniel started his channel in 2013, and it was then called The Diamond Minecart before evolving into DANTDM. He also published a graphic novel in 2016 which landed him on the New York Times bestseller list for 11 straight weeks, and Dan currently has a subscriber count of over 22 million people. He reportedly earns around $7 million a year through his YouTube channel, and his predicted net worth currently stands at $35 million. Number 5, Dude Perfect. You probably already know the Dude Perfect guys for their mind-blowing compilations of trick shots, as well as the famous athletes that are constantly featured in their videos. They rose to fame in 2009 when their first video, Backyard Edition, went viral and gained more than 200,000 views in 1 week. Today, their channel's amassed more than 5 billion views and has a subscriber count of 50 million. While some have tried to label their stunts as fake, their videos continue to go viral on all platforms. Dude Perfect rakes in around $13 million every year from YouTube, which means every member of the crew gets a 2 to 3 million share each. Number 4, Ninja. This bright-haired gamer started off as a streamer on Twitch before successfully transitioning to YouTube and Mixer. In fact, he was the biggest active channel on Twitch before he moved to YouTube and has since then managed to grow to 23 million subscribers there over the course of a few years, partially down to his love of Fortnite. In fact, he's been partially credited for Fortnite's success all over the world, so much so that he was later paid millions by Apex Legends to promote their game as well. His popularity in the gaming world has led him to multiple partnerships and brand deals, such as the one with Red Bull Esports, and one of the most iconic moments of his playing career was perhaps playing alongside Drake and Travis Scott. There has been some talk about Ninja's downfall for quite some time now though, but Ninja's current net worth still stands at an estimated $20 million, and his yearly income from YouTube, including all the ad revenue and merch, comes to an outstanding $15 million per year. Number 3, MrBeast. Most popular for giving money away, MrBeast is still doing pretty well for himself. MrBeast had been making YouTube videos since he was 13, but it wasn't until 2017 that he really began to skyrocket and gain followers at a massive rate. And that was partially thanks to his first viral video, which was literally him counting from 1 to 100,000. As his YouTube career progressed, MrBeast's videos took a more giveaway route, as well as setting weird world records, such as taking Ubers all across the country. He's known to donate very generously to homeless shelters and hospitals and just random people in general. To date, the Greenville-born YouTuber has created a niche for himself on the website and amassed a massive following of 34 million subscribers, with that number rapidly increasing. As of 2020, his net worth is around $22 million and his yearly YouTube earnings are calculated to be almost $15 million per year. Number 2, PEWDIEPIE. No list about YouTube could be complete without mentioning PEWDIEPIE. The Swedish YouTuber has been the most subscribed person on the platform for half a decade now. He's managed to continually adapt his content and shift direction, although Minecraft, meme reviews, and general gaming are definitely at the heart of his channel. Felix famously started this channel from his college room and sold hot dogs for a living at the time. After a long-running battle with T-Series, Felix has now passed the 100 million subscriber mark on YouTube, making him the first individual to do so, and probably the last for quite some time. As of right now, he's got a total of 102 million subs and reportedly earns a rough estimate of $16 million from his YouTube channel every year. His net worth also currently stands at a whopping $40 million. Number 1, Ryan Toys Review. Let it sink in, guys, the highest earning YouTuber in 2020 is the 8-year-old Ryan KG. His channel, Ryan's World, consists of toy reviews, vlog-style videos, and child-friendly content. Ryan has now matured into conducting science experiments in his videos, and he's also successfully branched outside the platform with his own line of toys, clothing items, and even a show on Nickelodeon. This family-friendly channel started off when Ryan was just 3 years old and has since grown into 22 million subscribers and counting. Ryan reportedly earns around $16 million from his YouTube channel every year, possibly slightly higher, and his net worth, although officially undisclosed, is estimated to be around $25 million. Not bad by 8 years old. Now, many of these figures are based on the averages of recent estimates, but remember, they are just estimates. Some may be a little higher, some may be a little lower, and because we've primarily focused on money from YouTube, this means some big names like Markiplier and Jeffree Star didn't quite make the list, as they've amassed huge amounts from other sources by leveraging their platform on YouTube. For example, with Jeffree Star, a huge chunk of his money comes from the products he sells using YouTube rather than YouTube directly. What's undeniable though, is many of these YouTube stars are raking it in, but the truth is, you don't need a huge following to do that. Check out this playlist for more information on how you can make money from YouTube with a relatively small audience. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want more videos like this, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Cheers.